Well, right now, we do have the opportunity to go to an interview here because while more than 160,000 customers remain in the dark right here in Sarasota County, some hospitals, they've been up and running through this storm's historic landfall. Staff has been working around the clock to assist patients and, of course, the community. So let's go to the president and CEO of the Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System, David Verinder. He joins me live now with more. David, thank you so much for being here. I know how incredibly busy you are, so let's get right into it. Two of your hospitals, they remained open and fully operational through all of this. And your hurricane response team spent the last 2 days ensuring everyone's safety. So how are they doing right now?
So first off, Gio, thank you for having us and letting us tell our story. One of our hospitals is in Venice, Florida. It is a 120-bed community hospital that we opened last November. I got to tell you, it is overwhelmed with patients right now, and our staff are doing everything they can to treat every one of them. They are all have rushed in to help, leaving their own families, leaving their own homes, not really knowing if they have homes left, just to take care of the community, and we're honored to be able to do that.
Yeah, no doubt about it. It's going to be so tough just to get them back because we know what they are going through, what your staff is going through. So there are several hospital closures in neighboring Charlotte and Lee counties. How is your staff preparing for an influx of patients?
So we started preparing when we knew the storm was coming, way before it ever hit Cuba, and we could tell that we might get a direct hit. We started going through our hurricane preparations. Sarasota, I think, was very fortunate to not get the direct hit like our friends in Lee County and Charlotte County did. At this point, we're taking in a lot of patients from Lee and Charlotte County. We are in direct contact with our friends at Lee Health and throughout the state. I just want to tell you our prayers and thoughts are with Dr. Antonucci, who's the CEO at Lee Health, and his team for what they're going through. And we're happy to be able to do our part in this.
David, we know that volunteers are coming from all over the country to Florida. After seeing what's happening here on Florida's Gulf Coast, what kind of outside help are you getting in these efforts?
So we're getting a lot of calls with volunteers to come in and help. We are trying to get transport going right now to where we can move people out of Venice and up into the city of Sarasota, where our trauma center is. We are having ambulances show up from all over the country. We're having power crews from all over the country, which is equally as important. And we're just grateful for the outpouring of support from Governor DeSantis's office to the national response.
And David, I know you said it, that luckily Sarasota was not hit as hard as some other counties. Certainly it was still hit hard. But did any of your facilities sustain any damage? Because we're right here in front of the Venice Theater, and we are seeing the kind of damage that this building has sustained. So what about your buildings?
So in Venice, our main hospital in Venice did not really receive any major damage. It was a very hurricane-hardened facility that was built last year. We did get damage in some of our medical office buildings. Our urgent care on a Venice bypass, which is very close to where you are, is fully operational and open this morning. But we do have a freestanding ER that's in Northport that did receive damage. We're in the middle of assessing that and trying to get that opened for patients right now.
All right, David Verinder, CEO and president there of the Sarasota Healthcare System. Thank you so much for joining us. And please tell your staff they are the heroes in all of this because they no doubt will be working for days and days to help the folks of this community. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the opportunity.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.